new or unusual that you had to give to 2.0?
Yes, actually, this film is going to be released in
Length of the film.
still not trimmed it as yet.
Still, Amy, first I have to say you look gorgeous.
Thank you very much.
This film, I mean, did you know that you were going to be part of a historic film like this? We're all intimidated by all these powerful men all at once.
The thought of it, yes.
Put out there. What is the feeling, sir, truly, from within?
I like the script, so I did nothing else. Thank you.
That is the
I just take this opportunity to thank my chairman, not on behalf of CEO of Laika, but as a hardcore superstar fan. Karan ji, I just wanted to share something which I read quite interesting in the social media. If Shah Jahan would have got 3 quotes, Taj Mahal wouldn't have been made. And if this gentleman would have sat on arithmetics, this magnum opus wouldn't have been started. I thank him personally on behalf of all the superstar fans and Akshay sir fans. Thank you.
We're going to chat some more. All my heart can't wait to see this magnificent piece of work. Thank you, sir. And finally, sir, your association with this team has, of course, been legendary. The work you've done is beyond legendary. Everyone treats you like a barometer. You are truly the final parameter of music.
This is probably the toughest film I'm doing because he's not satisfied with anything I'm giving. So he liked the trailer music though. So we finished one song, and so of course the most challenging working with him is ideals are very, very high, Mr. Shankar. And the pressure which he has for this movie, especially having this whole team and trying to create something unique for India to the world.
Rajni sir, I know that you're fast, but this was a bit too fast, no? What just happened? Where did you go?
Hello, I am Chitty, the robot. Speed 1 terahertz, memory 1 zettabyte.
Chitty.
नहीं समझा ना?
नहीं.
मैं कब आऊंगा, कैसे आऊंगा, कोई नहीं जानता. मगर जब भी आऊंगा, सही वक्त पे आऊंगा.
But anyways, didn't they ban you, dismantle you, lock you up in a museum, something like that? Okay, I've always wanted to know, you tried to hit on your boss's girlfriend, right? Aishwarya Rai. How's that going on, huh? Tell.
Oh, that's a sad story, Karan. She friend-zoned me. ये दिल है मुश्किल.
You are so updated about movies, is it? Then let me ask you some rapid fire questions. One word for Akshay Kumar. Tell.
Twinkle, twinkle, action star.
Whoa!
Right, Akshay?
Who is the king of Bollywood?
The great Amitabh Bachchan.
And the queen of Bollywood?
Madhuri Dixit. Aishwarya Rai, Sridevi, Priyanka, Deepika, Katrina, Kareena, Anushka.
Whoa.
Rakhi Sawant.
Huh? Enough, please, Chitty. Now let me ask you one tricky question. What do you know about demonetization?
Yes, I heard about this from my boss.
Boss? Who? Vasikaran?
No. Shivaji the boss.
Oh. Anyway, tagline reads, the world is not only for humans. What does that mean? Aliens, robots, who? What?
Sorry. It has been programmed in my neural schema not to reveal any details. If you have any questions on this, ask him.
Him? Who him? Arey, sir. Chitti and Rajni sir, all together. This is amazing. Welcome, sir. This is absolutely fantastic. Welcome.
Thank you, Karan. Thank you. Why you are disturbing unnecessary Chitti, please? It is too early to show the trailer or teaser.
Yes. Well, we can't wait, as I said. And we have a nervous producer who's all smiles, but nervous to answer any further questions that we already, so we won't torture him anymore.
He's told me everything, whatever you want to ask him. I'm going to answer for him because he's told
I'm
me
going to ask
everything.
you.
He says, yeah, he says that even when he has to give a speech to all his workers and all, he never comes. He never talks. He just quietly stands there. And I think he's too humble for this now.
So I'm going to pretend you're the producer, Akshay.
Yeah, go
then,
ahead. I
and
would
ask
love
you.
to be this producer of this film.
So as a producer of the film, what made you put this kind of money into it?
Sorry?
As a producer, what initiated you to put this kind of wealth in this film?
Well, I believe in this subject, and I believe that this movie is going to create history. I believe that I'm putting money on a scientist who's going to take this movie and change the whole history of Indian cinema. So that's what I...
Whoa. Well, truly it is Mr. Subhash Karan. Thank you very much for your vision, your confidence, and all the energy that you provided.
Well, thank you very much for this question. For this, you'll get one Leica phone free.
Thank you. Very good. I'm very happy. Anything free is always welcome. And now we will go to 2.0 version to Akshay Kumar. Akshay, it's amazing that, that there's this collaboration. When it was announced, there was such tremendous energy. And for you to walk into a comfortable zone, as in their comfort zone, how did that feel? When you walked into this, there with these leading lights, literally all of them who have done such exceptional work together with each other and apart from you.
Well, I'll tell you something. To be honest, I never do makeup.
Yeah.
I have never done makeup in my life. It's been 25 years, I never put any kind of makeup, but this movie, I have done all the makeup of these 25 years into this. And I swear to God, 3 hours I had to sit on a chair. I don't know how many films I've watched on television just while they are doing some makeup on me, and it used to take 1 hour to remove this makeup. So my patience level has increased. Like, I'm already a very patient guy, but with this, I have increased my patient level a lot. And trust me, I'm very thankful to Shankar sir, to Rajni sir, to Subhashji, to allow me to be a part of this film. And I was very shocked when they chose me to enact in front of Rajni sir, whose fan we all have been. So it has been a great honor.
దానికి ఉన్న టెన్షన్స్లో కుదరక ఎఫ్ఎంలో ఇదిగా చిన్నగా TV5 లైవ్లో ఏదో అట్లా మా అంత పెద్ద సెలబ్రేషన్ కాకపోయినా కొద్ది మొత్తం చిన్నగా రిలీజ్ చేసాం. డైరెక్టర్ గారికి ఎక్కడో ఇంకా ఆకలి తీరలేదు. ఆ వేడుకని ఇంకా బాగా జరుపుకోవాలి. నాకు సినిమా ఏదైతే